Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of MPN Academy. Friends, we are bringing you special edition of Bihar Current Affairs. In this video, we will discuss 30 most important multiple choice questions associated with Bihar Budget 2022 with full description in English. So let's begin. Friends, join our Telegram page. Just search MPN Academy and you'll see this logo, and there is public channel MPN Academy. Just join there. What you will get there? BPSC exam related news or notification update you'll get there. Golden Current Affair Test Series topper results is announced there, and then MPN Academy app courses and YouTube video updates you'll get regularly. So please join this public channel of MPN Academy on Telegram. The first question is, what is the total budget expenditure estimate of Bihar in the financial year 2022-23? The right answer is option number C, 2,37,691. This total expenditure is divided into two parts. The first part is establishment and commitment expenditure, and the second part is annual scheme outlay. In this, the estimated expenditure is 1,37,460.94 crore rupees, and in the second part annual scheme outlay, the estimated expenditure will be 1,0230 crore rupees. So when you add these two figure, the figure will come 2,37,691 crore rupees. What is the percentage increase in the total budget expenditure estimate of Bihar's financial year 2022-23 as compared to the last year of 2021-22? The right answer is option number D, 8.88%. Last year, the estimated budget expenditure was 2,18,302.70 crore rupees. Now this year it is 2,37,691.19 crore rupees. So difference is 19,388.49 crore rupees, which is 8.88% of the last year. What is the estimated GSDP growth rate of Bihar in financial year 2022-23? The right answer is option number C, 9.7%. Bihar is estimated to grow by 9.8% in the current financial year 2021-22. It is more than the estimated growth of India in both the years. In financial year 21-22, India is expected to grow 9.2%, while Bihar is expected to grow 9.8%. And in financial year 2022-23, India is expected to grow between 8 to 8.5%, while Bihar is expected to grow 9.7%. What is Bihar's estimated revenue surplus for financial year 2022-23? The right answer is option number A, 4,748 crore rupees. Exact term it is 4,747.84 crore rupees, which is roughly 4,748 crore rupees. This is 0.64% of the estimated GSDP of Bihar. What is revenue surplus? If revenue receipt is more than the revenue expenditure, the surplus amount is called revenue surplus. This revenue surplus will be used for investment in physical infrastructure, generating productive capitals like roads, buildings, power, schools, health centers, irrigation, etc. What is the estimated fiscal deficit of Bihar for the financial year 2022-23? The right answer is option number C, 3.47%. Fiscal deficit is the amount left by subtracting revenue receipt, recoveries of loans and advances, and repayment of public debt from total expenditure. So for the financial year 22-23, estimated fiscal deficit is 25,885 crore rupees, which is 3.47% of GSDP of Bihar. What will be the GSDP of Bihar in financial year 22-23? It will be 7,45,310 crore rupees. In the financial year of 2020-21, the fiscal deficit was 4.82% of GSDP. "17 months of quality current affairs required for 67th BPSC prelims and CDPO exam can be revised entirely in 25 hours. How? First of all, you have to study 17 months for this exam. The reason is in 66th BPSC question was asked till October 2020. So for this exam you have to study current affairs from November 2020. Since the exam is going to be held in April, so you have to study the content till March. How can you revise this entire current affairs in 25 hours? The first content is weekly current affairs test series in MCQs format, national and international. There will be 75 PDFs, 4 PDFs every month, plus 2 years of economic survey, 2 years of budget, Olympic, Paralympics and census 2011. It will take 6 minutes of time for one PDF. So in 7.5 hours, you will be able to revise the entire weekly current affair test series in MCQs format. The second type of content is monthly current affair short notes, national and international. There will be 17 PDFs, one PDF for every month. It will require one PDF 30 minutes. So total in 8.5 hours, you will be able to revise the entire monthly current affairs series. Then Bihar monthly current affairs short notes and MCQs. There will be 22 PDFs, 17 PDFs for 17 months, plus 2 years of economic survey, budget and census. One PDF will require 25 minutes of time. So it will take about 9 hours to entirely finish this Bihar monthly current affairs. These three types of content will take total 25 hours of time. What is the importance of these current affairs? 19 questions tallied in 66th BPSC from these weekly current affairs test series MCQs format. 10 questions tallied from Bihar monthly current affairs. So total 36 questions tallied in 66th BPSC prelims exam from these MPN Academy current affairs PDF notes. About more than 85% questions tallied. In 2021, there was no exam held of BPSC. So Bihar SI exam was held where 86% questions tallied. 31 questions tallied. The video is available on YouTube. On this channel, you can watch it with full details. Friends, how will you get these quality PDFs from November 2020 onwards? Please download the MPN Academy app from the Google Play Store. You will see 4 section. You have to go to store section in the bottom and you have to select the course 67th BPSC CDPO current affairs PDF course. This content is made available at a very reasonable price which can be afforded easily by everyone. Payment link is given. Just pay there and you will be enrolled in the course. The contents are provided there very systematically. Friends, please keep it in mind that MCQs will be bilingual in Hindi and English language, but the explanation and short notes will be in Hindi. From January onwards, the content is fully in English. Estimated outstanding public debt of Bihar for the financial year 22-23 will be what percent of GSDP? The right answer is option number B, 31.95%. The outstanding public debt is estimated at 2,38,126.69 crore rupees, which is 31.95% of gross state domestic product. Total debt including liability in public account estimate is 2,88,107.35 crore rupees, which is 38.66% of GSDP. In the year 2020-21, the public debt liability of Bihar was 28.65% of GSDP. How many key areas of focus was highlighted in the Bihar budget 2022-23? The right answer is option number B, 6 areas of development. These 6 areas are health, education, investment in industry, agriculture and allied sector, infrastructure, rural and urban, and welfare of different sections. The focus will be on the implementation of these key areas in the financial year 22-23. In which department the maximum percentage of allocation has been made out of the total expenditure in the financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number C, education. Total expenditure in education department is estimated at 16.49% of the total expenditure. Second number is pension department, 10.2%. Third number is interest is 6.86%. Fourth number is health. The estimated expenditure will be 6.79%. And fifth place is rural development, expenditure will be 6.50%. How many rupees in total will be spent on education in Bihar in financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number D. 39,192 crore. In exact term, it is 39,191.87 crore rupees, which is roughly as 39,192 crore rupees. It has two parts: establishment and commitment expenditure of 16,993 crore rupees and annual scheme outlay of 22,198 crore rupees. This annual scheme outlay is 22.2% of the total scheme expenditure. How many rupees in total will be spent on health in Bihar in financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number A, 16,134 crore rupees. This includes establishment and commitment expenditure of 9,099 crore rupees and annual scheme outlay of 7,035 crore rupees. The percentage, if you include both, is 6.79% of total expenditure.
Friends, if you want to know how is your preparation of current affairs for 67th BPSC prelims exam and Bihar CDPO prelims exam, then this course is ideal for you. Golden Current Affair Test Series. What you will get in this? There will be 25 questions. One question will consist 50 MCQs. So overall you will get 1250 cream questions selected from 17 months required for 67th BPSC prelims exam from November 2020 to March 2022. Questions are selected from Bihar national and international current affairs. You will get 40 minutes of time to solve one question paper of 50 MCQs. How can you get this course? Go to the Google Play Store, download the MPN Academy app, and on the store section the course is mentioned Golden Current Affairs Test Series. Free demo test is made available on the app portal. You can try and check for yourself whether your preparation of current affairs is solid or not. At the end of every test, you will get the result.
What percentage of the total budget will be spent on agriculture in Bihar in financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number A, 1.51%. Total expenditure on agriculture will be 3,584 crore rupees. Repayment of loans, the percentage is 6.17%. Total expenditure in energy will be 11,476 crore rupees. The percentage is 4.83%. How many rupees in total will be spent on rural development in Bihar in financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number C, 15,456 crore rupees. Exactly the amount is 15,456.47 crore rupees. It is 6.50% of the total expenditure. Department of Home Affairs will have a considerable amount of 6.05% expenditure with the amount 14,372 crore rupees. Urban Development and Housing will also have a considerable amount of 3.44% of total expenditure. The amount is 8,176 crore rupees. What percentage of the total budget will be spent on Panchayati Raj in Bihar in financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number B, 4.12%. Total expenditure on Panchayati Raj is 9,801 crore rupees. Social Welfare Department will have budget expenditure of 3.45%. The amount is 8,201 crore rupees. Water Resources will have expenditure of 1.81% and the amount is 4,310 crore rupees. All these details will be given on the PDF. How many rupees in total will be spent on disaster management in Bihar in financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number A, 3,697 crore rupees, which is 1.56% of the total expenditure. The exact amount is 3,696.98 crore rupees, which is roughly as this. This is 365 crore more than the current financial year. From this amount only 4 lakh rupees each were given to the relatives of deceased due to COVID-19. In the financial year 22-23, Bihar is estimated to receive how many crore rupees as grant in aid from the central government? The right answer is option number C, 58,001 crore rupees, which is 3,470 crore rupees more than the last year of 54,531 crore rupees. The share of Bihar in the central taxes will be 91,180 crore rupees. How much rupees will the government spend on construction of rural and urban roads in the financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number C, 16,431 crore rupees. It includes two departments. Road construction department, the expenditure will be 5,819 crore rupees, and rural work department, the expenditure will be 10,612 crore rupees. So if you include both these, the figure will come 16,430.99 crore rupees. 6,000 kilometers of roads will be constructed in the financial year 22-23. Under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, 2,500 kilometers of roads will be constructed in the financial year 22-23. Under Rural Path Maintenance Program, 9,000 kilometers of rural roads will be repaired in the financial year 22-23. What is the budget outlay for Bihar Student Credit Card Scheme in financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number B, 700 crore rupees. A provision of 4,989 crore rupees has been made so far for a total of 1,63,331 application under Bihar Student Credit Card Scheme. What percent of the total budget size will be spent on development of villages in Bihar in financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number B, 48.16%. The budget size of financial year 22-23 is, as you know, 2,37,691 crore rupees. Out of this amount, a total of 1,14,461.50 crore rupees will be spent on the works associated to the development of villages, which is 48.16% of the total expenditure. What is the budget outlay for Sat Nischay Part 2 for financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number A, 5,000 crore rupees. Let me tell you the detail of all the Yojana under Sat Nischay Part 2. First Yojana is Yuva Shakti Bihar Ki Pragati. The amount is 1,153 crore rupees. The second Yojana is Sashakt Mahila Saksham Mahila Yojana. The amount will be 900 crore rupees. The third one is Har Khet Tak Sinchai Ka Pani. The amount is 600 crore rupees. Fourth is Swachh Gaon Samriddh Gaon, and the expenditure will be 847 crore rupees. Fifth one is Swachh Shahar Viksit Bihar. The expenditure will be 550 crore rupees. Sixth one is Sulabh Sampakta, and the expenditure will be 450 crore rupees. And last and the seventh is Sabke Liye Atirikt Swasthya Suvidha. The expenditure is 500 crore rupees. If you include all these 7 expenditure, the amount will come 5,000 crore rupees. What is the estimated capital expenditure of Bihar in financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number B, 45,734 crore rupees. Capital outlay for the financial year 22-23 is 1.75 times as compared to the actual capital expenditure for the financial year 2020-21. It is 4,503 crore rupees more than this year. In this budget, more than 65% of the entire budget has been provisioned on socio-economic sector. How many industrial parks will be developed in Bihar? The right answer is option number A, 7 parks. Let me give you the detail of all the 7 industrial parks. The first one is Electronics and Medical Device Cluster in Begusarai. The second one is Toy Cluster at Kumar Bagh in Betia. The third one is Mega Food Park at Motipur in Muzaffarpur. Fourth one is at Motipur in Muzaffarpur in the form of Pharma and Surgical Park. The fifth one is Plastic Park at Gorol in Vaishali. The sixth one is Textile Park at Kumar Bagh in Betia. And the seventh is Leather Park in Kishanganj. Total 150 crore rupees will be spent on these industrial parks. Institute of Petrochemical Technology will be established in which city of Bihar? The right answer is option number A, Bihta of Patna district. The state government will help in setting up the Institute of Petrochemical Technology at Bihta for BTech and MTech courses. This institute will be the branch of Central Institute of Petrochemicals Technology, Patna. What is the budget outlay for Mukhyamantri Solar Street Light Yojana for financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number B, 200 crore rupees. Chief Minister Solar Street Light Scheme is being started under Sat Nishay Part 2. Solar lights will be installed in villages through BREDA. Like the city, the work of installing solar street lights is to start from April 2022 to keep the street and squares of the villages illuminated at night. Electric connections will be given to the farmers of the state to give water to every field. The government will spend how much amount on this? The right answer is option number A, 1,329 crore rupees. Under Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana, power substations and feeders are being separated. Out of 293 power substations, 273 has been completed. 1,315 feeders out of 1,388 have been set aside for agriculture. Connection has been given to 2.5 lakh farmers. Affordable electricity is being provided to the farmers at the rate of only 70 paisa per unit. What will be the total number of grid substation in Bihar by the end of financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number B, 176. Smart prepaid meters are currently being installed in the urban areas of Bihar. 4.33 lakh smart meters have been installed. Bihar is the first state in the country where such a number of smart meters have been installed. There is a plan to install meters for all by 2025. Currently, Bihar has 154 grids and 17,120 circuit kilometer transmission lines, from which 13,000 megawatt power extraction capacity has been prepared. In the financial year 22-23, how many work days will be created under Manrega? The right answer is option number C, 25 crore. From April 22 to March 23, the workers of the state will get employment of 25 crore days under Manrega. This will be 5 crore more than the current year, which was 20 crore. In the current year so far, in financial year 21-22, 54% participation has been done by women. It is also planned to plant 2 crore saplings under Manrega in 22-23. How many new rural retail mart will be opened in Bihar in financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number C, 150. At the village level, 68 rural retail marts are being operated to supply quality material at reasonable rates to small entrepreneurs, especially women engaged in grocery stores. Out of these, 50 have been opened in the current year. Under skill development, the target is to train 12,000 youth in the upcoming financial year. The quota of ethanol in the state has been increased from 18.5 crore liters to how many crore liters? The right answer is option number B, 36 crore liters. The state government has made a provision of 1,643.74 crore rupees for the industries department in financial year 22-23. An investment of 30,382 crore rupees is proposed in ethanol production. So the capacity has increased almost twice. 151 units have been approved for ethanol production. How many families will be linked with Dairy Cooperative Society in Bihar in financial year 22-23? The right answer is option number B, 1.5 lakh. In the financial year, 1.5 lakh Jivika Didis will join Dairy Cooperative Society. Jivika Didi has formed 854 Dairy Cooperative Societies in the state in coordination with Comphed. 42,457 Didis are associated with these societies, and this year The target is 1.5 lakh. Friends, the PDF of all the video lectures released on the YouTube channel of MPN Academy with full description can be found on the app as discussed earlier. With the help of the PDF, you can revise this video lecture in just 5 to 6 minutes. It will save your lot of time which you can devote to the static portion. This is very important. The link of the app will be given in the description box as well as pinned comment section. Let's discuss the last question. What is the rank of Bihar in the fish production in India as mentioned in the Bihar budget 22-23? The right answer is option number D, 4th place. Fish production in Bihar has increased from 2.88 metric ton to 6.83 lakh metric ton in 2020-21. This figure was for 211-12. Per person yearly availability of fish in Bihar is 9.60 kilogram. With this, we are wrapping up this edition of Special Bihar Current Affairs. Thank you very much for watching the video. All the best for your exam preparations.